Hello guys, welcome to Electronic Experience. In this project, we are going to detect our CO2 gas with MQ2 module and Arduino. So first we have red LED is turned on when no gas in around the module, and if I make a fire, as you can see, it takes some time to going back and it's done. In this project we are going to make this very useful project for your home, and this is the part we use in this project: an Arduino Nano, some resistor, uh, green LED, red LED, some jumper wire, a buzzer, MQ2 module, and breadboard. So let's wire it. First step, we connect the Arduino Nano in our breadboard and MQ2 module. So wiring the module to Arduino Nano. As you can see, MQ2 module has 4 pins: an analog output, digital output, ground, and VCC. So we use analog output for our Arduino, so connect ground to ground, VCC to 5 volts, and analog output to our A0 pin. In next step, we are going to connect buzzer, LED, and resistor. So next we connect buzzer, like positive pin in the down and negative pin in the up part of breadboard. So, and we make our negative pin one with buzzer, and connect another pin of LED with resistor to pin D12, and connect buzzer with a resistor with jumper wire to pin D10. And last part of wiring is connect the red LED. We connect our negative pin. So we negative pin with resistor to ground pin, and the positive pin with to D11 or D10. You can connect like this. So, and we have the negative pin for buzzer and LED. We make it one with GND Arduino. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's go to programming. So in programming part, we declared our pin in top of setup function, like MQ2 model to A0 and LED1 and LED2, and buzzer to our digital pin. We declared the pin as input and output, MQ2 model as input, and another pin as output. We have serial.begin baud rate 9600, and in loop function we have MQ2 model. We analog read our pin A0, and we have two condition in there. As you can see, we have the measure of our gas detector. I make this condition to this number 632 for alcohol gas, and we have in this condition we turn on an high LED 1, or means LED green with buzzer high and LED red is low. Another condition, or else we have LED green and buzzer low and LED red high. And these two line of code for measure our MQ2 module output. So let's upload this code and go to our last test. So in last test, I connect the buzzer pin without resistor to see and listen how our buzzer sound. So let's test. As you can see, the red LED is turned on. The module can't find any gas around there. If I turn on a fire, the green LED is high and the buzzer will be done. And it takes some second and minute to get back to normal position. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.